family, this is Valya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you this glam, sexy, bronzy, summer look, which is a very nice summery date night, sexy, very bronzy look for everywhere, and all of you can do it. So let's get right immediately in this video to show you how you can create that look. My brows are done with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade medium brown, with this from the one side, from the other side is spoolie in this. I have cleaned up my underbrow area with my Ultra Liquid Concealer and this flat concealer brush, and now I'm ready to move on to prepare my lid. I'm taking this fluffy big brush and my Ultra Liquid Concealer in the shade Vanilla, an undertone lighter than my natural tone, and I'm ready to prepare my lid. And now, after I have finished with my lid, I'm taking for today my 3D EDY palette, which is this very nice palette with natural bronzy colors and peachy and brown, and for you I will do today a very nice bronzy summery glam sexy look. And I will take this fluffy brush by Eyebrow 104 and I will do on my outer corner, I will apply this on the edge, which is a very nice shimmery medium brown color. With this color I'm going to do my crease. My today's look is a very nice sexy glam bronzy summery look, which is suitable, as I have told you many times, for almost all the skin types and all the personality. And apply this color on my crease. I'm gonna use all shadow shimmery because I love shimmery shadows, especially in the summer. Then I will take this flat brush and take it another shadow, nude champagne shimmery, which is this color, and I'm gonna apply that color on my lid. Very nice nude champagne color. Look what a beautiful shimmery brown chocolate nude champagne eye look. This is very bright. And of course, ending up with my outer corner and this flat brush but a little long. And I'm taking this on the edge, which is an undertone darker than my other shadow, which shadow I used on my lid. And I put some of it, not in a harsh way, in a light way, a little of this shadow on my outer corner, a little of that. Of course, on my underbrow area, I will use my Eyebrow 103 and my Face Studio Chrome Maybelline New York highlighter, and this is it. I will take some of that product, always tap the excess of the shadow or the product, and I will apply that on my underbrow area. A little of that champagne, gold champagne color, very beautiful. And I'm going to do the same technique on my other eye. A few coffee as I work. I'll do the same technique with the same shadow. And of course, I'm going to put, after my eyes, my liquid black eyeliner, which is the Eye Define Soft Tip Felt Liner by MUA Makeup Academy. For today, I decided to use a black liner because I want that look to be more sexy, more bronzy, because the light brown that I use sometimes, brown eyeliner, very nice, but it is very sweet. It is for more soft I had a more soft look. This is the black liner is more suitable for a sexy, intense look. So I will use that for today. And after that, of course, continue with my lashes. And for today, I will use my 6D Mink, and these are lashes which I like very much. Of course, after I have weared my lashes, I'm going to prepare the rest of my face, and for today, I will use my Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30, which is, as I have told you, a night drying pink cream primer that I applied with my fingers, and I like that product very much. I like the most hydrating product. I have told you sometimes that you can use a matte primer or matte product or putty primer, that they will say, when you have here a not very clear area on your nose, or a thin nose, or a combo skin, or a very oily skin. But for my skin, which is combo to dry, I prefer the hydrating product. And of course, continue for today with my classic L'Oreal Infallible All Day Luminous Vitamin C. Of course, I will combine it with my Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Polish 105 Natural Ivory. I always mix two foundations together. I'm taking my Wet n Wild foundation brush to apply it on all the face. Of course, continue my makeup with my Ultra concealer in the shade medium beige. Apply it on my inner corner, on my outer corner, of course. Some dots on my nose, some product between my brows, two lines near my mouth. With this motion, you succeed a mini lift near your mouth, and some product on my lip, on my chin. And of course, over that, I will apply the same concealer in the shade Porcelain Vanilla to give some brightness, especially here on the inner eye and on the outer eye, of course. And taking my beauty blender to apply the whole product. I always apply the whole product, especially the concealer with a beauty blender. I have told you many times, to avoid the wrinkles, apply your creamy product, especially under your eye, with beauty blender, and not some brush like this is with very hard, and you will do your fine lines look more hard. Avoid that tool. Of course, anything you want. This is my opinion. I prefer blenders. Now I'm going to use my Dancing Cream Extreme Matte Creamy product, which is this. I'm taking with that tool, that brand, which has two options, two sides, one bigger, one smaller. This is a very nice honey color in the shade Honey 03, which is a creamy bronzer. I will apply that to give the sun of the touch. I really love that creamy product. It is blending and applying so nice, very well, and it has a mirror which is very interesting and very useful for us makeup artists. I apply it everywhere to give this some touch, and of course over that I will use the powder product. As I have told you many times, when you want creamy product, over them you have to use and powder product, unless use only powder product. Beautiful, this product, very beautiful. Some of that on my nose. What else? After that, I have to set up my under eye area. I will set up my under eye area with my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wet Foundation Foundation. What is this? I have told you for that product. It has and a mirror and a little poof. It is very useful for your bag. When you have to go out, it is so useful, so mini to carry it out. And I will take that brush and some of that product to set up my under eye area. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow 11, with my powder brush and taking the same product to set up the whole face. And of course, I will apply my, I will use my Elixir Makeup Blush and Bronzer palette, and I will take these two matte bronzers. I love these bronzers. Always tap off the excess of the product. It is a rule to avoid this harsh line. I will continue with my eyebrow 11, of course, and these two pink blushes. I could use in that look a creamy blush and highlighter, but I prefer to don't do that. Very nice pink peach color for the blush. And over that, I will use my Face Studio Chrome Metallic highlighter with my eyebrow 105 to do some highlighter and on my cupid bow. I'm going to do a little bake, not much, a little bake on my under eye. And now I'm going to continue with my under eye area and my eyebrow 03. And I will take all the shadows I use above on my under eye, and the smaller and the lighter I do the same. Any shadow you use on your upper eye, on your lid, you will use the same shadow on your under eye. And of course, my highlighter for the inner corner. Some black liner for the waterline. My Maybelline, the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. Many coats on the upper lashes, one coat for the bottom lash. It is a rule to have a very nice look. This this makeup is one of my favorites, I have to say. You can wear your mascara before you apply your false lashes on your natural lashes, and then apply and a little coat, a few coats, and your false lash. But if you are a beginner, it's more easy for you to wear your lashes, your false lashes, unless you don't want that, and then to apply the whole mascara everywhere. That's a mistake. Of course, I'm going to dust away of a little bake that I have done. You can avoid that step with a baking. It is, for my opinion, of course, because this look is so sexy and glam and bronzy, you can really avoid it. If you won't do it, if you won't not, don't do it. But I like the baking, as you have seen. And for the lips, I will wear my Air Woman Cosmetics lip liner in the shade 006, which is a dark brown, chestnut it is called. Inside I will put my lip gloss cyan in the shade 30 Nude Lips, which is a very medium brown color. This is the lip gloss, do you see? Very nice color. And over that I will wear my cyan brilliant gloss in the shade 12 Sugar Plum. Look what a nice sparkle, light purple to mauve to brown this is. A little of that. And of course I have to set up to last my makeup during all the day with my Revolution Calming Makeup Fixing Spray with Cannabis Sativa, and this is it. And I will set up from a distance between 20 centimeters, not much shorter, a little long from my face. And don't forget ever to do that step. It is the only way to make your makeup last during all the day for many hours. Sometimes I'll take this product and in my bag when I go out. It is a little over, but I do it. Well, my friends, this is my complete finished look for you for today. My recommendation for a glam, summery, sexy, bronzy look that you can do it, all of you. It is not